It's time to solve the most difficult level, a 15 puzzle, where we have classic 15 puzzle with an empty hole, where we can move parts like on a 3x3 Rubik's Cube. This is a standard classic Rubik's Cube where we can shuffle everything. And again, thanks to the hole, shuffle the parts, and again turn the sides of the cube. Subscribe to the channel and write something nice in the comments, because I try and solve the most complex puzzles in the world just for you. Let's start. And now let's try exactly the 15. I hope it will be faster, because I have already gained experience. Let's try to solve this, starting with the 9. I'm really accelerating, I love it. And the last two sides. That's it. The last side. Yes! Yes! 22 minutes. It was really interesting. It was the hardest 15 puzzle in my life.